Okay, hello students. So it's wonderful to meet you all again. So today's session is going to be a bit interesting and very informative in terms of the latest skills what you can start learning. And this complete series is going to be based on something like your AI, ML, data science, and data analytics, and all these kind of stuffs. Okay, so this video you can expect every Tuesday or Wednesday from now on. One video on one of the AI tools or any latest updates which is happening in the world of AI. For those who are completely new to this channel, welcome all. So I am Lakshman, so an electrical engineer. So I am going to explain you people in a very layman's term, like what is this AI and what are we exactly doing and why is it the most needed skill of the hour. Everyone, when you go to Instagram these days, you see a lot of AI tools being displayed here and there. Use this AI tool to get this done, use this AI tool to get that done. So have you ever wondered, so how are these people doing all these AI, or what is this AI actually? Can I really learn this AI? Is it difficult? Is it not difficult? So I am here to clarify all your doubts. Okay. Firstly, the term AI, artificial intelligence. What is it? Imagine as a kid, you all people were playing around. Fine. Now, we started observing people around us. When we started seeing them, what did we see? They were smiling at us, they were laughing at us, they were closing their eyes and crying to us. Now, why am I telling all these things? We learned a new thing from everyone. They cried, we learned how to cry. They laughed, we learned how to laugh. They closed their eyes and cried, we learned how to do that too. And over a period of time, we have adapted ourselves in order to understand to whom we should laugh, to whom we should cry, and to whom we should sit silent to get the job done. Isn't isn't it? Right? So now we have started learning from the surroundings. The same thing is getting done by the AI also. Sir, what do you mean by that? Okay. Think it this way. You all people have gone to Google, okay, and you have searched cheapest sneakers under rupees 500. Great. The Google starts showing you some list of items available. Okay. Immediately you go into your Instagram. Suddenly you start seeing ads related to sneakers. You go to your Amazon. Suddenly you start seeing products related to sneakers. Right? And you all think some magic. I think the phone is listening to me. Right? So even I have thought the same way before knowing the things. Then what we try to do, we start telling it to our friends. Bro, you know what happened? Yesterday I did this. The Google started understanding what I like and it started showing. But you have forgotten that this is all the work of AI, where the machine has learned what are your recent interest. Based on those interests, it has started showing you more related ads and products. So what is the benefit out of it? When you keep seeing something repeatedly, you end up buying it. It's a business, right? This is one of the AIs, right? In the similar way, there are many more in the market. And right now, the AI is like a small kid where it keeps learning from its surroundings. Every day it learns. It's not like a one day job. every day it's keep updating itself. Sir, how is it going to keep updating? Okay. Take this example also. During COVID, okay, we all were sitting at home. Whenever we used to go out, the people surrounding us used to tell wear mask. The government used to tell wear mask whenever you go, so the virus doesn't spread. In a further steps, certain companies started installing cameras which can automatically detect if you are wearing mask or no. How did it actually work? They had developed a system where these cameras were fed with images of people, how they look when they wear mask, and the images of people how they look when they do not wear mask. So both the scenarios are given. Now we also give scenarios where we tell, okay, camera, mask means it will have two straps and it will be in some color, that is mask. If I close my hand with, if my mouth with hand or with my laptop or with something else, it is not mask. So please understand. I cannot tell the system that way, but I have to give images of that also, where I close it with my hand and I tell the AI, this is not mask. I close it with my laptop and I tell, this is not mask. Sir, but this will be a very tedious process. Yes, but how are we doing it? We are having something called as data sets, right? Where there will be a dump or there will be a set of files which is only for the people who are smiling, set of files for only for the people who are wearing masks, set of photos which are only having uh, remote in their hand or closing their mouth or something like this. We'll be giving these images as a training set for this AI model and it will learn. So before you go to any event or any competition, what you do, you keep training. The same way the AI also keeps training. Once it is trained and the accuracy level is somewhere around 80, 85, 90%, then we put it into use and we see what are the results. Most of the AI models give a result approximately around 90% accurate. So this is what the world of AI is all about. Sir, can I also learn? Is it difficult? Not really. Can I learn? Yes, you can learn. Should I have a degree in something like a science field or something? Not necessarily. Then anyone can learn? Yes, anyone can learn. Only if you should have the interest in it. Right? Now, how to learn? Here, first, you need to understand what is this AI on the whole. Then you need to choose what you want to do in AI. Okay. Then you need to start the preparation. About this, we will come up with a detailed video where I explain the step by step procedure of how to choose what you like and what you can start learning from the basics. Okay. So now for today, I am going to introduce you to a tool. Okay. You will be very excited for sure. Where using this tool, we are going to make our laptop camera or your mobile camera to detect and tell whether you are using a phone or not using a phone. Ready for it? This is going to be a very simple experiment. You are having a tool online. Some of you people might have experienced it, some might not have experienced it. Today we are going to see what is that. Fine, ready for it? The tool's name is Teachable Machine. Okay, let's get into it. Fine. Now, this particular stream is called as Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine. Okay. Now, in this particular tool, you train the machine what it needs to do. Based on that, it will give us outputs. Okay. Let us take an example of an image model. Okay. You can just type in Teachable Machine on your Google and you will get this website. You can go into it and get started. Okay. Click on the Get Started option. Here you might find an option called as Image Project. Select it. Select Standard Image Model. Okay. So here I'm having two classes, class one, class two. I'm going to name this classes as uh, without mask or like without phone. Sorry, I'm not having mask. Without phone and with phone. Fine. Fair enough. Now what I'm going to do is, so I need to turn on my camera. Before that, I'll just here, activate the camera here. Okay, the camera has been activated. Now what you can do is come on to settings, keep it as 24 frames per second. Hold to record is turned off now. I have kept a duration of 8 seconds, a delay of 2 seconds. Save it. Same thing, I'll do it over here, delay of 8 seconds. Okay. First, it is without phone. I'm not holding any phone. I'm just going to give images of myself in all the different directions possible. Fine. So now you need not click it. It will automatically take pictures of you. Just click on it. You can do this on your mobile phone or on a laptop also. Okay. Click on record. Okay. So it has captured 181 image samples of me without phone. So it knows how I look without a phone. Fine. Now let me go to the with phone option. Let me hold the phone on my left hand first. Okay. So it has captured 181 images of me holding a phone with phone. Okay. So two cases has been given to this and it has taken some 181 samples of each. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to train this model. Train means it is going to learn. How is it going to learn? It is not going to take the entire 181 images and it is not going to learn. Among this, it will choose a sample. Sample means some 50 out of it, some 60 out of it. It is going to choose and it is going to learn. You can even adjust it. As of now, I'm not adjusting anything. Just keep it as it is. Just click on the train model, but do not switch tabs or go to something else. Just click on train model. It will take some a minute or two. So post that, it will start telling you what exactly is happening. Are you holding a phone or are you not holding a phone? Okay, this is what we have trained. Okay, it is done. Now it is telling I am without a phone. Is it true? Yes. Now, what happens if I take a phone with me? It tells I am with the phone. 99%, 98%. The same thing happens with I'm keeping it a left hand. Right? So if I bring it down, it tells I am without a phone. Okay. Now, see the difference. What is meant by training? Since I have told only a object with the phone, if I take my hand close to this also, it tells I am with the phone. Take this hand also, it tells with the phone. If I take a remote over here, it also tells I am a phone. Phone. So what should I do? I should also give a scenario where it is telling all these are not phones. So do not tell these are phones. All these are not phones. How I can do this? I can keep on adding classes and I can tell these are not phones. These are not phones. Now you okay. So this seems interesting, but it's a tedious process. Yes, AI and machine learning itself is a very tedious process. It is not keeping some 100 data the entire machine has learned. Millions of data are given. So how are they giving this data to people? On your Facebook, Instagram, and everything, you have uploaded millions of photos. Sophia, have you heard about it? Let me just stop this. Okay. So before I stop this, one more thing. You can even export this model as a JavaScript code and you can use it in your program, and or you can use it as a TensorFlow script and you can use it whatever. You can download it and you can upload it, whatever you can. Everything is available on short. Fine. It's pretty much interesting. Now let me just reload this page and go to the main page. Okay. Now you all have heard about Sophia, right? Sophia. Sophia the right? Sophia the Now, what is so special about the Sophia robot? It is the first humanoid robot which can understand what you speak, it can reciprocate and it can answer what you are asking for. And even it can have certain amount of feelings. Yes, how was it possible? Yes, it was possible. How was it possible? That's a big question, right? So, whatever images we had uploaded on our Facebook, Instagram, and all these data, everything has been fed as an input. For example, okay, all these are some scenarios which I'm telling. Okay, in reality, it might be something else, but I'm just giving a scenario if it had happened this way. Fine. Imagine whatever you uploaded on Facebook, Instagram, all these photo dumps have been taken and they have been fed to the system. And it has been fed in such a way that we are differentiating like these are the people who are smiling, these are the people who are angry, these are the people who are in love, these are the people who are in so and so. And the machine has started learning by observing all the reactions. So when it sees the people of the similar sort, it tells this person is angry. Example. Same way, if I give audio files and I tell this is the person, it looks when they are angry, when or they sound this way when they are angry, they sound this way when they are happy, excited, actions, speaking, facial expressions, hand actions, dancing, fighting, everything, step by step, everything has been fed. It keeps learning. Even now, it keeps learning. If it is learning about a book, it means it has been fed the book. And from that book, if you ask some question, it will exactly tell that line. But if it has to tell its own opinion, then we have to tell how to give an opinion. And all these things are what AI and ML is all about. Now, this is what happens in the tool, and you can see it. Now, as you saw in the tool, there are a lot of options available there. And the research that you can keep doing in this is endless. So, what I would like to tell you people is keep learning. Learning is not a one day's process, it's a continuous journey, right? What you learn today, tomorrow it is upgraded. Go and update yourself, sir. Then every day I should keep learning, sir. My parents said you learn till 12th, your life is set. Then my parents said learn your degree, your life is set. Now you're telling keep learning. Yes, that's the truth. In this world of AI, where a new tool is being generated every day, you need to keep up with the trend to be alive in the market. Else, sorry to tell you, friends, you will be lost. Learn one AI tool and master it. Anyone cannot touch you. Okay? Because when you master it, you are going to get smarter with it. You know how to use it effectively to get the job done. That is what the market requires at this point of time. So, hope I have made my points clear, right? So, go and try this tool and let me know your comments in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe and share the video as much as possible so that it motivates us to bring up more content in this manner. Okay. With this said, thank you very much for coming and watching this video. So stay tuned for the next video. Until then, it's bye from Lakshman. Take care. Bye bye. See you.